Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is kind of a requested video. I hauled this palette a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, the Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten palette, and I was asked to do like a look or a review on this palette. So I created this two-toned eye look with it, also pairing it with the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette, just because this only has two mattes in it and I just don't find it to be a complete palette. But that way you can see how the shimmers perform, how the mattes perform, and see a bunch of different colors in action. And let's just get started. So we are going to start off with the Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten palette and the shade Siren right here on a fluffy crease brush. It is a shimmer, but you can put shimmers in the crease if you want. You can do whatever you want with makeup. So that's what we're doing. And it's more in the transition area and the crease, just everywhere, get it everywhere. And sorry, I forgot to say, I've already primed my eyes with the Gen Nude primer by Bare Minerals. I think it has replaced Urban Decay Primer Potion as my favorite primer. Then I'm just taking a towel and wiping off the brush and going into the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette in this purple shade right here, which is Instinct, and putting that in the transition area. Then we are going into Seaweed, this matte teal right here, with a tapered blending brush, and put that on the outer corner and buff that into the crease. And if you have your foundation on first, just don't take it out as far, don't be as messy as me. I just do my foundation last so I can be as messy as I want. And then wipe the brush off and go into Lethal in the Ultimate Basics palette and put that on the outer corner and into the crease. And these blended together really nicely, but these are kind of separated, so I'm just taking the fluffy brush and going over and just making it more seamless. Then I'm just going to take some lotion, ooh, that's a lot of lotion, and put that on the outer edge where I want to clean up, and take my towel and wipe it up. Voila, nice and clean. Next I'm going into Blackjack with a tiny detail brush and deepening the outer corner of the teal side to match the depth of the purple side. Then take a little seaweed and layer it over top so it looks like a dark teal and not like black. Then take Ursula on a flat shader brush and pop that on the outer corner to just brighten that purple a little bit. Then take a little more Ursula on the shader brush and wet it and put that on the center of the teal side. Then go into Topless, this peachy shade, and wet that and put that on the inner corner and blend it into the purple. Then take Siren on that flat shader brush that you have wiped off and wet it and put that on the center of the purple side. And take Topless again and put that on the inner corner. And that is pretty much it for my upper lid, so I'm going to go off camera, do my base and brows and everything, and come back to finish the lower lash line. So I put my brows, my lips, my whole face on. I just have my lower lash line left, and I am going to take Smog from Urban Decay and put that on the waterline on sides. Then on this side, I am going to take Ursula on a smudger brush and pop that on the lower lash line. And then I am going to take Siren on that same smudger brush and put that on the other side on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Seafoam on a pencil brush and pop that on the inner corner. And the brow bone. And I'm just going to apply mascara really quickly and I will be right back. And this is the completed look with the Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten palette, a two-toned eye look utilizing shades also from the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. So overall, do I recommend this palette? As a standalone palette, no. It only has these two mattes and I did have to pull from another palette to complete the look that I wanted to create, but I do think the shadows are nice, and if you have other palettes to work from, it is a good palette to pair with other palettes. So quality-wise, good. Color selection, not so good. I hope you found this video helpful to you if you were interested in the Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten palette, or if you just wanted to see a two-toned eye look. It was really fun to do this look. I've never done a two-toned eye look on my channel before. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. I will see you guys next time. Bye!